million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
hey y'all, hey. Y'all know what I'm doing. I'm back with a wig giveaway. And if you notice, I've been doing these weekly, and so you're probably saying like, dang, why is she giving away so much human hair weekly? That's my way of giving back to y'all. Like I always say, I'm very transparent about the fact that this channel saved me from myself. It took me from a very, very dark place. So me giving away this human hair literally weekly is just my way of giving back. If I could, I would give all of y'all a wig, but I can't, so you know. And if you notice, when I do these when I do these wig giveaways, it's never, you gotta follow me on Instagram, you gotta follow me on, it's none of that. The rules are normally really simple. You can just do it down in the comments. Okay, I do that to pour into y'all because y'all constantly pour into me. Speaking of pour into people, this giveaway is y'all completely different, but out of everything I've done on this channel, this is probably the most special to me. If you ain't new here, you know that my best friend is Amy, and I'm constantly talking about her and her husband, actually. That's the couple that you'll see. I probably inserted a picture. She probably gonna kill me, but there you go. I hope I put it there. That's the couple that helped me take kids all around the world. At this point, we've taken kids, some of these places, multiple times in various cities in these countries, but we've taken kids to Great Britain, France, Italy, Germany, Belgium, Austria, the Czech Republic, Poland, Hawaii, Italy. I know I'm leaving some off. We've been to Hawaii. We were supposed to be in Australia, New Zealand, Hawaii. We were supposed to do Greece, Italy, and Turkey next year. Well, we don't know, the world closed. Anyway, and you might be saying, that's a vacation for them. No, they work. Okay, because literally in this little bald head, I literally will wake up and say, ooh, let's go to the Czech Republic. And they just be like, okay. You know, so they dedicate literally like 2 weeks out of their summer to give back. Amy is a teacher like me. Her husband, he works in the medical profession. That's what I always say. I always be lying to people. I tell them that he like an astronaut. He a neurosurgeon. I be lying all the time. But anyway, I love, love, love them. Not only do I love them, I love their kids. They have 3 boys, okay? And I love them all. Some people might say I have a favorite. I don't say I have a favorite, okay? And they're so different but so alike. The first child, and that's the child I'm gonna talk about today, his name, oh, should I say his name? Yeah. His name is Mason, and he is one of the smartest kids that I've ever met. He is very analytical and to the point. Super, super smart. He's also very, very athletic. An amazing kid. I love that he loves history so much, specifically like wars. And I can't wait to teach him. Now the second one is one that I probably don't need to teach because he'll get away with murder in my class. He is just as smart as his older brother, but he's also the more emotional one. I will never forget that I was in the hospital for like 30 days, literally. Back in 2013, and he was a little boy then. And I'll never forget, they would come to see me at the doctor's office or the hospital just about every day. And the middle boy, when he walked in, he gave the doctor a piece of paper that had scribbles all over it and told the doctor, this is instructions on how you fix Richards. Go ahead and cry, because you know I did too. That's the middle one. I don't need to teach him. Super sweet, super loving. I told Amy he might be a teen daddy. He's so sweet. I don't know, but that's, and then the last little boy, it's so weird because he is literally a mix of his 2 older brothers. He's very analytical and to the point, but super sweet too. If you follow me on Instagram, remember I posted that picture about how you can't lie to kids? He's the little boy that I promised a snowball back in March, and I didn't see him because of quarantine. And when they saw me in June, he said, Richards want my snowball. I had to go get him a snowball. That's him. He's also the kid that knew the president's own currency when he was like 3 months old. Okay, maybe it wasn't 3 months, but you get what I'm saying. So a beautiful, beautiful family that I love. I am a little biased, but I'm telling y'all, they are loved by the community. I always tell her husband he needs to run for public office. We literally could be in Paris, and it wouldn't surprise me if somebody on the street said, hey, Tan the man, because he knows everybody. Just a beautiful family. Beautiful sister. I love her sister, Michelle. Her parents are wonderful. So anyway, I say all this to say, I'm getting to the giveaway. Shut up, girl. Okay, so the oldest boy, Mason, that I love, Y'all, he has started a YouTube channel. And you know, if you know me, you know I love kids, especially kids that are doing positive things. And he started a YouTube channel where he does gaming. Now, some of y'all be saying, what the hell this got to do with a wig? Y'all, we have got to pour into kids and encourage kids. Maybe it's you got kids. Maybe you got grandkids. The only rule to this human hair giveaway of this wig, I hope I put the picture right there, of this wig is you gotta go subscribe to his channel. And when you subscribe, go to the comments on his latest video and say, this is all you gotta say. Hey Mason, Wigs and Wanderlust sent me. That's it, okay? And then I'm gonna let him pull the winner out of all y'all names, probably one day next week. That's the only rule, okay? Now the name of his channel. His mama done sent this to me like 50 times, even sent me a voice note on how to pronounce it. I know I'm about to mess it up. And he gonna say, Richard, you messed up my name, okay? But I'm gonna put a picture here of the channel. Here go a picture of Mason too. Ain't he handsome? Okay, but anyway, it's called Voltron Suave. His mama sent me a damn voice note too. There go the name of his channel, okay? And I'm gonna put it in the description box. That's the only rule, y'all. We have got to pour into kids. We've got to encourage kids, y'all. And he's so passionate about what he does. Not only that, he's also extremely athletic. So he's academically inclined and athletically inclined. The boy play every sport, from baseball, soccer, maybe badminton. I don't even know if that's a sport because I'm not athletic, but the kid is just an amazing kid. So I really want to pour into him, y'all, and it would mean the world if we can get his subscriber count up. So that's the only rule for this giveaway, and I'm gonna do another one next week, okay? But that's all you gotta do. Go to his latest video, comment, and say, hey Mason, Wigs and Wanderlust sent me, and you gotta subscribe to his channel. Those are the only rules I'm gonna get his hair away, and I'm gonna let him pull. I'm probably gonna record a video of him pulling. Y'all, thank you so much for constantly pouring into me, which allows me to pour into other people by giving away all this human hair and encouraging kids like Mason that the world is literally theirs if they just step out and they try. I love y'all so very much. Until next time, bye. I'm about to go film these swimsuits. Pray for me. That's why I look greasy. I had to put baby oil on my thighs. Okay, but anyway, I love y'all. Bye.